Hey guys, welcome to week 3 of summer school. This week we are doing triple berry muffins. So you've got this recipe in your packet when I dropped it off this morning. You also have these foil cupcake holders, and you have triple berry muffin mix Betty Crocker. This is going to be a very simple recipe. I wanted you guys to do something easy. Sometimes when you're learning how to cook, sometimes when you're learning how to cook, come on.
What?
You want to start with just a simple box or bagged kind of recipe. So we're going to start with this. So you need your muffin mix, you need milk or water, you need a bowl, a spoon, your half cup measuring cup, and you need your baking cups, and you need a pan like this. You can put them in a muffin tin if you have them, but the cool thing about these muffin cups is you don't have to have them in a tin. So when you're putting them on, there's going to be a white part. Can you get in here and see this, Maddie? There's going to be a white part and a metal part. Both of those want to come onto your baking sheet.
Doesn't metal make the fire run?
This is supposed to make us 6 muffins. Are you in here, Maddie? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to have I'm going to have Allison help me out here. I'm just going to open this up, and I want you to pour all of that into the bowl. And so first, guys, come on over here, Maddie.
Can we double it?
Preheated the oven to 400. My oven actually automatically goes to 375 after I preheat it, because that's what my oven does. I don't even know why. And I am going to use milk. If you don't have milk, use water, but milk will probably give it a little bit more richness. So I'm going to fill up the half cup measuring cup all the way to the top. And Allie, will you stir that up for me? Stir it all the way up till there's no...
Allie's baking show.
So there's nothing left. So we're on step 4. We're stirring everything till it's combined. And while Allie's doing that, I wanted to tell you, you can look on the back and you can follow this simplified recipe. I decided to take that recipe and add some pictures and break your steps up or break your steps down for you to make it a little simpler. So we're on number 4, spoon until everything is combined, spoon it together, or here's me messing up my words again, stir it together. I am going to get an ice cream scoop. You can just use your spoon and spoon this in. I like an ice cream scoop because, you're gonna get in here and see this, Maddie?
Mm-hmm.
I don't fill it all the way full, but then when I click it, it's going to make all of my muffins the same size. And you only want to fill these muffin cups about halfway full. We don't really have enough muffins to fill them all the way up. Put that in the sink for me, kiddo.
Can I lick it?
No. So this one's going to be a little bit empty. Not quite as full as the others. And if that happens to you, let me show you what to do. So I'll take my spoon, and I'm going to take the ones that look a little full, like this one looks a little bit fuller than the others. And my hands are washed. I just washed my hands. I'm going to take that out and stick it right in that one. Will you hand me a paper? I don't know where my paper towels went. They disappeared because I moved things out of the way. So now you're going to pop these in the oven. This is the first time we've done something hot. Make sure you're using pot holders. Your pot holders may look like this that cover up your whole hands. They may just be little things that you help hold the pan. But we're going to put these in the oven.
Oh.
And then we are going to set the timer. This is how I set my timer for 16 minutes. And I press timer again and it's going to start counting down. With my oven, it worked in 16 minutes. I made, when your timer goes off, 16 minutes later, you're going to pull out your cupcakes. I made some your muffins. I made some a little bit earlier because I wanted you to see how they're golden brown, and I don't know how to edit a video into 2 places, so I made these earlier. So you see how they're kind of golden brown on top. That's what you want your cupcakes to look like. Let these cool a little bit. Use your pans because that oven is going to be hot and it will burn you. I also want to let you know you are going to have extra cupcake holders here. Save any that you have, put them back in and save them because next week we are going to be making corn dog muffins, and you are going to need these cupcake filters again or the cupcake liners, because I am not going to be adding any more into your baskets next week. As always, call me if you have any questions, and I want to see your pictures of your muffins. All right, guys, bye.